This pork and bell peppers dish is super fast and easy to make, perfect for anyone, even beginners in the kitchen. With just a few easy steps and everyday ingredients, you can have a delicious, colorful meal ready in no time. Whether you're short on time or when you want a hassle-free dinner, this recipe has got you covered. The chunks of bell peppers bring a fresh, slightly sweet crunch that perfectly complements the juicy pork. You can use any cuts of pork you like. Today I'm using pork tenderloin because it's lean and goes well with the crisp bell peppers. I cut the pork in bit-sized cubes because it keeps the pork tender and juicy. Also, it's budget-friendly, costing just a couple of dollars per serving. It's simple to make and delicious, served with steamed rice for a perfect homemade dinner. This dish shows that great food doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Whether you're cooking a quick weeknight dinner or a family meal, pork and bell peppers delivers satisfying flavor with minimal effort. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.